Set the royal rift. Harry's battle for security and reconciliation. Prince Harry's fierce legal crusade to reclaim his UK security protection illuminates the cavernous divide fracturing the British royal family, particularly spotlighting his deteriorated bond with King Charles III. Palace insiders reveal an enduring chasm and notable absence of healing between the monarch and his younger son. The security controversy transcends mere judicial appeal. It epitomizes Harry's desperate quest to protect his loved ones and potentially represents a final bridge to mend the fractured relationship with his father. Harry remains convinced that the withdrawal of taxpayer-funded protection in 2020, following his and Meghan Markle's dramatic exit from royal obligations, was a calculated maneuver designed to curtail their freedom and thwart their aspirations for an independent existence within British borders. He contends this perceived manipulation severed an already fragile connection with his father, plunging their relationship into profound alienation. Harry steadfastly believes King Charles, as sovereign, possesses the executive power to swiftly restore his security arrangements, an assertion repeatedly rejected by palace officials. The communication breakdown between father and son appears catastrophically extensive. Their most recent face-to-face encounter consisted of a brief 30-minute meeting in February 2024, immediately following Charles's public revelation of his cancer diagnosis. Queen Camilla remained present throughout. This interaction, preventing any private discourse, and no personal exchanges have transpired since. Sources within Harry's circle disclose that his communication attempts via telephone calls and personal correspondence remain unanswered, underscoring the profound emotional gulf separating him from his royal relatives. This estrangement was painfully evident when Harry discovered news of his father's March 27th hospitalization for cancer treatment complications through media outlets rather than family channels. During each of Harry's recent British visits, this pattern of silence has continued, uninterrupted. Notably, throughout all 3 journeys, including a courthouse appearance earlier this month, Charles was unavailable, partially due to a meticulously planned state visit to Italy coinciding with one such trip. This communication vacuum impacts Harry's understanding of his father's medical status. He remains uninformed about Charles's condition or prognosis. Sources close to Harry suggest the king deliberately maintains distance, presumably to avoid discussions regarding security arrangements directly linked to the ongoing litigation. Royally. Historian Sally Bedell-Smith contextualizes this delicate situation, observing that the legal dispute places Harry in direct opposition to those executing the king's directives. Even minimal interference from Charles could substantially impact the judicial proceedings, though a palace insider hints separating personal matters from official responsibilities might be feasible. The damaged relationship extends beyond father and son, encompassing Harry's fractured connection with Prince William. Mirroring their father's approach, William has ignored Harry's reconciliation overtures. The lingering aftermath from Harry's explosive memoir, Spare, which exposed intimate conversations and deeply rooted family tensions, continues to poison their brotherhood significantly. Bedell-Smith emphasizes that these traditionally private revelations have further complicated reconciliation prospects. Despite these obstacles, Harry demonstrates genuine reconciliation desires, particularly for his children, Prince Archie and Princess Lilibet. He yearns for them to embrace their British heritage, experience their cultural birthright, and establish meaningful connections with their extended royal relatives. The legal proceedings, portions conducted behind closed doors due to sensitive information, have further unsettled him. Harry has alluded to shocking revelations being deliberately concealed, adding another complication to an already volatile situation. Following recent hearings, a source affiliated with Harry's legal representation conveyed measured optimism regarding the eventual verdict, with a judicial decision anticipated within weeks. However, Harry's motivations transcend immediate legal victory. He's propelled by an unwavering determination to expose perceived injustice and confront what he considers institutional failures. His resolve stems from a profound commitment to safeguard Meghan and their children, a responsibility fueling his relentless pursuit. An insider familiar with the situation remarked, "He feels very strongly this is something he must fight for, not just for himself, but for the future safety of his entire family."